हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे टॉप 10 इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ विद रिगार्ड टू जुडिशरी। पहला है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिट्स लिटरली मीन्स वी कमांड? हेबियस कॉर्पस, मैंडेमस, प्रोहिबिशन और को वारंटो। द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, मैंडेमस. Second question is, the power of judicial review, which allows the Supreme Court to examine the constitutional validity of laws, is explicitly mentioned in which article of the Indian Constitution? Article 13, 32, 124 और 226. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, आर्टिकल 13. Question number 3 is, the concept of basic structure of the Constitution, which cannot be amended by the Parliament, was established in which landmark case? Keshwanand Bharti versus State of Kerala, Golaknath versus State of Punjab, Minerva Mills Limited versus Union of India, Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, केशवानंद भारती वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ केरला. Question number 4 है, in India, the power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court is vested in the President, Parliament, the Chief Justice of India, the Supreme Court itself. The correct answer is option B, the Parliament. Next question is, which of the following statements about the writ of habeas corpus is correct? It can only be issued against a public official. It is issued to produce a person before the court to examine the legality of his detention. It can be used to compel a public authority to perform a public duty. It is issued to challenge the jurisdiction of a court. The correct answer is, it is option B, it is issued to produce a person before the court to examine the legality of his or of their detention. Question number 6 है, the Administrative Tribunals Act 1985 was enacted to establish special courts for speedy disposal of cases related to taxation, establish special courts for speedy disposal of cases related to service matters of government employees. Option C, establish special courts for speedy disposal of cases related to intellectual property rights. Or option D, establish special courts for speedy disposal of cases related to environmental protection. The correct answer is option B, establish special courts for speedy disposal of cases related to service matters of government employees. Question number 7 है, the concept of public interest litigation was introduced in India through a special parliamentary act, a landmark judicial decision, a constitutional amendment or an executive order. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है a landmark judicial decision, B. अब वो कौन सा लैंडमार्क डिसीजन है ये आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 है, the Supreme Court of India has original jurisdiction in disputes between two states, the Union and a state, the Union and any state or states on one side, and another state or states on the other side, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 is, which among the following is considered as the custodian of the public purse in India? The Comptroller and Auditor General of India, the Finance Minister, the Prime Minister, the Chief Justice of India. Correct answer is option A, the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Question number 10 is, a district judge in India is appointed by President of India, Governor of the state, Chief Justice of High Court of the state, Chief Minister of the state. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, गवर्नर ऑफ द स्टेट. सो दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. बाय बाय.